Now that I've created the holes in the base, I'll just hide it for now, and I'll just turn off the section view, and let us add holes, the tapped holes of 632 size to this what do you call the bosses what we have created in the motor cover. So firstly I have to ensure that this part is activated in the assembly. Just remember, we are working in the assembly right now, we are not working in the individual module of Creo, and the purpose for that is to ensure that we are having, you know, an alignment between different parts. So firstly I'll just press over here, reduce the diameter. I'll be again creating a coaxial hole. I'll be adding an axis and press OK. Click on play button. Go to the standard holes, select 632. This will be your tapped holes. The diameter is automatically adjusted. Now you know, it depends on what size of screw we are using. Let me just maintain a depth of 0.5 for now. Okay, and I'll just press OK over here. We got the tapped hole over here, and I'll just expand the model tree of this cover. Go to the pattern option, reselect the point option, click on references, define, select the surface, click on sketch, align it to normal view, click on references and add the circular references so that I can create a point at that two places, and I'll simply press OK and OK again. So I have the what do you call the holes added. If I want to hide this text, I'll select this option. Now I'll just press Ctrl D. Just remember, this is the correct orientation of our part, and you can see we have this cutouts over here. Okay, I'm not sorry, not the cutout, the bosses. So in the front view, if you just go back to the Excel sheet, you can see we have certain cutouts for the on off button, the USB port, and the display. Okay, now what we will be doing is we will be creating cutouts from the front view. All right, so firstly I'll take a plane from front and I'll just push it to the outward direction and change the direction of plane. Align the part to normal, click on extrude and click on sketch setup. Ensure that it is the perfect front view. I think it's flipping off, so I'll just flip the part again and go to right, sketch. This must be my front view, all right, because I need not get confused with the placement. So firstly I'll create a cutout for USB by creating a center line at first and ensuring that it is symmetric. Now I really do not know what are the dimensions of a USB port, so I'm just assuming it to be 0.4 inches by 0.2 inches for now. Okay, I might be incorrect. And imagine we have a type C port as well at certain distance, so I'll just make the type C port symmetric firstly with respect to the center. It's already symmetric. I note that the type C is maybe slightly smaller in width. Then let us have an on off button. Just keep it as 0.5 and the distance between them as 0.4, and let me maintain this distance as 1.7. I can just go to no hidden and see where are the cutouts or where are the bosses. All right, and where are they with respect to the height. This looks fine to me, and I'll just turn on the shade, and I'll change the direction of these extrudes and remove material. So this is how I'm creating cutouts, and I'll be creating a USB or a PCB board where I'll be mounting it at this position, and I'll be ensuring that the PCB board has the switches for the purpose which we are creating this blender. All right, now in the next video we will try to create a PCB board, and we'll try to see how we can create certain features with which it will be mounted in the motor cover. All right, so let us go to the next video.